Okay, the first thing to do is to plug the power supply. So that the filter wheel initializes all 7 positions. It goes through and then it blinks various colors in the LED that's attached to the back side of the filter wheel. Now let's try to connect the camera and filter wheel. Seems fine. And let's start to go through all the filters starting from red, which is the current filter, so no rotation at all. Moving to green immediately, rotates the filter wheel, green LED is blinking, exposure is fine, using the green filter. For the blue it's the same, everything's fine. The only thing that I don't like is that actually the filter wheel rotates immediately after the filter was selected from this drop-down menu, like now, instead of rotating when I click Start Now. Okay, interesting thing is that it always rotates only in one direction. So if I choose, say, blue from now, then it will go through all 7 positions. Okay, and okay, it's still so far so good, luminance, fine. But there's a bug in the driver. If you, instead of mouse, if you use keyboard and double click or triple click arrow up, then we are now on filter number 4, that's luminance. So if I use the keyboard now and switch to, say, green, you see, then the blinking color on the filter wheel is blue. Filter that is in position is number 3, that is blue, but my selection here remains on green. So if I start the exposure now, this is wrong. Now I did 4-second shot that is taken over blue filter and not over green one. That's incorrect. Apart of the fact that the download somehow takes longer now. Anyway, if I click the start button once more, it's still in the incorrect position. So I think I'm on green, but in fact I'm on blue filter, which is wrong. Let's try it once more, say give green once more. Green LED is shining and the filter wheel rotates to position number 2, that is correct green. So I can shoot now over green filter. So that's the bug that I wanted to show. Like if you go to S2 filter, that is for, in my case, position number 7. So this is correct. But when you use arrow key to go, for instance, to green filter again, let's see what happens. Okay, we stopped on position number 5. That it's not green, but it's actually H alpha, which is not in place at the moment because I have some other issue with mounting the filters inside of the filter wheel. So I first need a replacement disc and proper screws to be able to actually mount these filters in. But that's a different issue than this driver. Giving red now from incorrect position is fine if you only change this selection by 1 position. Let's see if it will work if we go to, yes, it will work if we go to blue directly, then it's fine. Okay, blue is in position, that's number 3. What if we use arrow down key like 3 times? So that's again a bug in the software because I selected O2 filter using arrow keys in this drop down menu, but the filter is on position 4, that is luminance. So that's really, when you use arrow keys, then it rotates only to one position, either before or after the one position that it was before. It never goes to where you stop. So that's all I wanted to show.